Okay, so welcome back to live content, and today's video is going to be on how humanity needs nature, how the human being needs nature for it to slow the human mind down, and with nature it just helps the human being to just relax and be present, and just being around nature, it just makes you more appreciative. It makes you more happier and grateful for the individual things that makes nature what it is. Like, without rain we wouldn't have beautiful flowers. Without the sun we wouldn't have beautiful flowers. We wouldn't have nature if without balance in yin and yang. And for us to have balance, and to bring peace, harmony and tranquility, zen, like happiness and all the other beneficial positive things the human being desires. The human being needs life to bring life to the being. Nature provides the human race a means to escape, but rather help bring peace and remove the chaotic life out the door. And you have what is just the now, the everlasting, peacefulness of nature, when you surround yourself with things that have the peace and the, that if you're, let's just get down to the whole point of this video is that human beings need to start being out in nature, walk, breathe in the oxygen, move the body, pump the lymphatic, all these other amazing things you can do for your body. Meditate, yoga, stretch your body so it becomes more flexible for you to suffer less. And really, when you are in line with nature, there is no need to suffer, even though your mind tells you that you've got these problems and this and that. And I just feel like human beings and humanity need to be more in nature, and to experience nature for what it is, and not live in cityscapes and being around things with energy fields that aren't helping people. So I hope you guys hope this video helped you, and stay tuned to live content, who is most probably or is living a content life. Have a good day. Peace.